Looks like we got another woodpecker versus the dove. Oh, look at this. I've never seen this happen. There's a second woodpecker right here. That's another red-bellied woodpecker. Well, let's see what happens here. Usually that woodpecker will whack the doves. Pretty good. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, dove's trying to team up. That woodpecker is going to send some feathers flying. Oh my gosh, it's two woodpeckers against one dove. I can see it's going to go down. Ooh. Maybe that one woodpecker's not on the same team. Uh-oh. Yeah. Something's going to happen here. Got to be kidding me. I've never seen this happen. Another one's trying to land in there. Ain't gonna happen. So that one on the right, I wonder if that's gonna be the male that's dominant. I wonder if that's the female on the left. That's a beautiful bird. Yeah, maybe that was the female there. I don't know. I have to look it up. And there you go. The end.